Green Dream. We are a growing ecological community in harmony with nature. Located in the Yucatan Peninsula along the Riviera Maya, we are only 4 kilometers from Tulum, one of the most visited places in Mexico. Green Dream is a private community that preserves 3/4 of the jungle. Your investment is safe and your capital gain is guaranteed. The amenity area is a combined 7,000 square meters, with nearly 3 kilometers of paths and roads, a private cenote, and a dry cave. Contact us now for more information.